Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in fashion, fitness, and lifestyle products. Today, we have something that's been making waves in the world of shapewear, the TAILONG men's shapewear tummy control underwear compression shorts. If you're looking for the best men's Spanx tummy control, then this product might just be what you've been searching for. The TAILONG men's shapewear is designed to offer a sleek, toned appearance with its high-rise tummy control feature. It works much like a corset, smoothing out bulges and supporting the waist to give you a slimmer, more defined profile. Whether you're going for a casual look or dressing up for a night out, these compression shorts ensure you look sharp and feel confident in any outfit. The double-layered abdominal panel adds extra compression, targeting those stubborn love handles and trimming down your waistline. But the TAILONG shapewear doesn't stop there. It's also equipped with 4 steel bones strategically placed at the front and back of the waistband, preventing the shorts from slipping or bunching up. This means no more worrying about constant adjustments throughout the day. Plus, the 4 steel bones provide added back support, offering comfort whether you're sitting, standing, or moving around. What sets this product apart is its ergonomic design that caters to the natural contours of your body. The tailored 3D cut around the buttocks area gives a slight lift, shaping and firming the appearance of your backside. So, not only will your stomach look flatter, but you'll also notice an enhanced shape that adds to your overall appearance. Made from a combination of nylon and spandex, these compression shorts are designed to be breathable and lightweight. The fabric is stretchy enough to offer a snug fit without being restrictive, allowing you to move freely throughout your day. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or going about your daily activities, the TAILONG shapewear ensures comfort without compromising on its slimming effect. The material is also quite durable. You can expect this shapewear to maintain its structure even after multiple washes, making it a reliable option for those looking to integrate shapewear into their daily routine. Just remember, it's hand wash only to preserve the fabric and ensure longevity. Sizing for the TAILONG men's shapewear ranges from small to 3XL, making it accessible for various body types. It comes in classic colors like black, beige, and white, so you can easily pair it with any wardrobe. Overall, the TAILONG men's shapewear tummy control underwear compression shorts are a fantastic option for anyone looking to achieve a smoother, more sculpted look. Whether you're after extra support, a more defined waistline, or a boost in confidence, these shorts deliver on all fronts. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the best products out there, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews. Thanks for watching.